ओम महागणाधिपतये नमः महासरस्वत्यै नमः गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम मूर्तित्वे परिकल्पितससभृतो वर्त्मा पुनर्जन्मनाम् आत्मेत्यात्मविदां क्रतुसतां भर्तामरज्योतिषाम् लोकानां प्रलयोद्भवस्थितिविभुश्चानेकधा यः श्रुतो वाचन्न सततात्मा किरणस्त्रैलोक्यदीपो रविः। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। जन्माद्यस्य यतो अन्वयादितरतश्चार्थेष्वभिघ्नस्वराट् तेने ब्रह्महृदाय आदिकवये मुह्यन्ते यत्सूरयः तेजो वारिमृदां यथा विनिमयो यत्र त्रिसर्गो मृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तमूकं सत्यं परं धीमहि। After paying obeisance to Gurujis and Surya Bhagavan, that is Vedic Education Development Academy, is very proud to propagate the knowledge of astrology as preached by Varahmira and his Parampara. Today, we in future classes also try to make this subject as simple at the same time as practical. This knowledge as stated by Varahmira by his Purvacharyas, which is in the name of Bruhat Jataka, means the horoscope of a person, deals with the karma, that is the actions, and its phala, that is results. As we go through our lessons, it is a request to all of you, the group people, that the introduction class, which will be around 4 or 5 days, the next week will be after the introduction classes, the core classes. It may comprise of 90 days, or it may take even 60 days also. Depends on how the duration and how the general involvement of the members of the groups is concerned. Now, the introduction in which we are going to do, I would like to try to put the philosophy of Varahmira on a scientific and also philosophical aspects. So we will like to, for example, say what is the karma and what is the phala. Karma is actions and phala is the results. So generally in science also we have for every action there is an equal and an opposite reaction. So this karma, whatever the human being or any living being does, is entitled for its phala. Either it is happiness or sorrowness. So this phala is only just for what he has or it has done, but the main aim of Jyotisha, that is astrology, deals with the real light, the light of how the consciousness, that is Chitta Chaitanyam, after so many births, that is we believe, or Sanatana Dharma believes in past lives. So it is a recursion or a cumulative process of journey of soul from dark to light. In the meanwhile, it may go through many lifetimes. And during lifetimes, it may does actions, and corresponding to those actions, it will be rewarded by the supreme energy, or we call it as supreme personality of Godhead. That before we go to, we should have what is Varahamira and what is the greatness or specialty of Varaha. In a simple way or simple words, mathematics is invented by human being. It is not discovered as many scientists, mathematicians claim. So the mathematics is the basis for astrology, particularly in quantizing, that means how much karma or how much action has done and how much result or phala is awarded. So that amount of whatever we'd like to know is only understood or felt or experienced by the language of maths. So mathematics, if we say there are so many process, that is to obtain any same result. For example, say 2 into 2 is 4. Even 8 divided by 4 is also, 8 divided by 2 is also 4. Or square root of 16 is also 4. In that similar way, we can have a number by different mathematical operations. Just like that, when we study astrology, we have so many schools or philosophical or theoretical in their own way of understanding the truth. So generally a human being, according to his faculty, he will be trying to understand the truth, and as per that or whatever his faculty says, it will be called as some school of thought. Similarly, when we have so many methods or ways of getting some result in mathematics, say for example Parashara, which is very popular, it has its own school of thought, and the result will be obtained by its own method. Similarly, in Varahamira also we have different methods, and it will be when we apply those methods only we will understand the philosophy or school of thought of that school. Just like we have Apple operating system, Android operating system, but the functions what we go daily or what we use is achieved by both operating systems, right? Similarly, when there are many thoughts, one may get which one is the best method or when best operating system. But when we know, only when we understand all the systems or when we go through all the systems only, we know the greatness of or difference in any one more or one systems. So when we go through Varahamira, which is very authority, as we know, he is around 500 AD. So he gave us all the three branches of Jyotisham, that is Siddhanta, that is mathematics, and after mathematics, Siddhanta, applying to natal horoscope, that is Jatakam, Aura. Then applying into many horoscopes or country, which is called Samhita. In this way, the basis for astrology is a mathematical part called Siddhanta. And this Siddhanta Bhaga, which we are not going to deal because it's very difficult. But nowadays, when we have so many softwares and advanced technology, more or less we don't need to or require to calculate the exact position of planet, because so much advanced technology has come. Not only planets, even stars, quasars, galaxies, all are being nowadays by NASA and many other astronomical bodies or astronomical organizations have given the exact positions, very less discrepancy, errors. So we don't require, but the thing is, based on such calculation, we have to further go into how that mathematical part, that is how the position of planets can be applied to a person horoscope, that is Jataka Bhaga. In that context, Varahamira horoscope part, which is called Brihad Jataka, is very important. It is having 25 chapters, and these 25 chapters we are going to deal in this 90 days core courses. The main crux, which comes around 9 chapters to maybe 11 chapters, and based on that 90 days, we will definitely be in a position, with the help of whatever software is available in network, internet, we can at least be very confident, I am sure about, because this is what I have last 30 years of experience, how to make a student well versed with minimum knowledge of maths but more knowledge of applying the mathematical part to astrological or Jataka Bhaga, Phala Bhaga. So we today, when we take Varahamira school of thought, I just like to give a snapshot about how this Varahamira's calculation, which we have developed our own indigenous software based on Sripati, Keshava Paddhati and many other acharyas who came after Varahamira and gave us this mathematical, how to apply maths or planetary positions in knowing the Karma Phala, Phala Paddhati. Okay. So I am just giving you this snapshot, or just a simple, we can see here, which is in Telugu, but I would like to have our students, one of our students, Shiva Shankar Shastri and Keshav Murthy, will be definitely assisting in Kannada language, and this we can see here, planets are like this table. So here we can see Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, and their positions are given in the first column, and accordingly the strength of these planets are also been stated in the next column, and corresponding time period on which they apply to that person or lifespan of each planet is also stated in the third column, and the net result of these planets, how they operate on that person on that moment of time, is also being given in the fourth column. And next table is also gives the dashas of the planets, how they operate, and a different method called Mula Dasha, which is the uniqueness and specialty of Varahmira. We have here this Rasi, Navamsa and Drekana, and accordingly we can apply these things. And also the 12 houses and their strengths, just like not only 7 planets, we have 12 houses and their bhava, which are called houses, bhavas, and their strengths are also being calculated, which is very very tedious and very laborious calculation part. And we have this and also the planets, how they operate in all different aspects. So we have detailed dasha, antardashas of this Mula dasha. So this is a simple idea in which I will try to say that Varahmira calculation method is also one of the best methods, not only predicting very poverty to rich. That means the both extremes of karma phala. So phalam, how it is quantized or how much it will become into our life, has to be experienced by only mathematical value. After that, we will go in detail, all based on the Brihad Jataka 11 chapters, and the summary of that will be in 90 days, coming 90 days. Okay. But this after this introduction, which will continue for another 4 or 5 sessions, I would like to request all of you to know that astrology, that is Jyotish Shastram, is not only for mundane or materialistic part of a person or a life. It tells about more than that. It tells about what is the ultimate purpose of our life, which is called Gati. So Sadgati is very important, which is right path. It is not only Paramira stresses that, and in every chapter, one way or other way, he gives a beautiful idea about how the person or life is subjected to Sadgati. So this is the aspect of astrology, and astrology is also called Shadanga, and it is also, Shadanga means limbs of the 6 limbs of Vedam. Vedam is knowledge with in that part, when we try to understand how a human being or person is entitled to his karma phala, and even beyond that karma phala, how he is get mukti from positive and negative both. Not only negative, one should be also away or free from positive also, because when a person is chained with iron, it is chaining or bandhanam, but even if it is with gold, it is also bandhanam. So there is no difference whether it is gold or iron. It's not important. The important is either we bandhana or we vimukta, bandha vimukta. That is more important of this simple way of telling you astrology, how it is aimed getting that ultimate purpose of our life. And all Vedas, that is what we have in Sanatana Dharma, all they try to tell, that is Vidya, which is of 2 levels, Apara Vidya and Vidya, Paravidya. Apara is Laukika, that means how the body and how the soul comes into its body, and what are the rituals or actions that should be done by this body, performed, all when they are credited with a positive, then he goes from negative to positive, and after from positive, how he has to supposed to go to Vimukti. But Veda Margam will try to tell about all this process of getting from negative to positive. But Astrology particularly deals with the how to get rid of both this cycle of positive and negative. So it should be kept in mind that when we approach this, not only knowledge of this Varahmira, there are other schools also, that is Jaimini, even Parashara are all there. But we in this group, we are only dealing with Varahmira. Why? Because Varahmira, when well versed, one can understand Jaimini philosophy. So, we'd like to have a brief this idea about Varahmira in this session. In coming sessions or in the introduction classes, I would like to go in detail. Jai Shraddha.